Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your USB not showing up. Now, there's a couple of factors that could cause this. The first things first you should try is that you should just try your USB in a different computer if possible, or switch it around to other USB ports you have on your computer or on your laptop. If that doesn't work, a last Hail Mary you can do is restart your computer. Sometimes these issues happen and restarting sometimes solves the problem. But if that doesn't work, then we'll need to go more in depth. So once you're on your desktop here, you want to click on the search bar down here and you want to type in device manager like this. Now on device manager, you want to go to on the one in the bottom here called the universal serial bus controllers. This is what manages your USB ports, right? So if I click on this drop down menu, you'll see that I have a lot of USB ports right here, right? And you'll have to go through trial and error to figure out which one is the USB port that's missing because all of these have different names. So this USB composite device could be the USB on the left-hand side of my laptop. Meanwhile, the USB root hub USB 3.0 could be the one on the right side on my laptop. But the most common one is usually just called a USB composite device. Now, if you have a USB composite device like this and it's having problems, it could be outdated, as in the driver is old. So the thing we can do is click on, right click here, and then click on update driver like this, right? And then you can just click on search automatically for drivers. But as you can see right now, I already have the best drivers installed. But for your case, it could be that it's old and there are updates available, and that could fix the issue of the USB not showing up on your laptop. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.